tomorrow is the last day for filing nomination for the seats of Amethi and Raebareli. The Congress is yet to officially announce the names of its candidate. However, Congress sources are telling Times Now that the leadership in the Congress party has somehow managed to convince Rahul Gandhi to contest from Raebareli, not Amethi. And Raebareli was the seat held by his mother Sonia Gandhi. But it looks like a non-Gandhi is likely to contest from the seat of Amethi. And the name that is doing the rounds is that of KL Sharma. Sharma is considered to be a close aide of Sonia Gandhi. As per sources, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who's busy campaigning for the party, raised that the dynasty bogey by the BJP may just add more ammunition to the BJP if she also is fielded, and it doesn't look good if three members of the same party or the same family are in parliament, and that is why she in fact went ahead and conveyed to the party that she may not be interested in fighting the Lok Sabha elections. Adeep is joining us live. Adeep, we've been hearing this every day. When it comes to the seat of Amethi and Raebareli, there is always some kind of a fix and some kind of a confusion. But today we are getting to know that an announcement is likely. What are you hearing from your sources? And what are you getting to know from Amethi at a time when there is news that it's not Rahul Gandhi who will be taking on Smriti Irani, but another leader whose name is KL Sharma?
Well, Sagarika, on the ground, the Congress workers are still confident of the Gandhi family. They are saying that Gandhi family members will only be filing nominations tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day to file nominations. And they are very much confident that Gandhi family members, especially Rahul Gandhi, will be coming to Amethi and he will be filing his nominations. But as of now, Congress hasn't cleared who is the official candidate. KL Sharma, who's the close aide of Gandhi family, is in Amethi for the past 2 days. Yesterday, he took two different meetings in Amethi itself, and then he went to Raebareli. And today, he's again back to Congress office where he's taking meetings, joined by KC Kaushik, who's the lawyer of the Gandhi family. They both of them are in the Congress office right now. They are holding meetings with the Congress workers, and they are saying that the Congress candidate will be filing nominations tomorrow. But who will be the candidate of Congress? It is still unclear.
So it's still unclear, but yes, we've been gathering a lot of information from our sources. Once again, for viewers just joining us on the broadcast, we are expecting the Congress party to declare the names of its candidates for the seats of Amethi and Raebareli. Both these seats were once considered as bastions of the Gandhi family. Now, there's a growing clamor among not only Congress workers but also leaders in the party. That is, Jairam Ramesh has gone on to say that workers want both Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka to contest from Amethi and Raebareli. Now, KL Sharma, whose own name is doing the rounds as a candidate from Amethi, has also urged the Gandhis to contest. Listen in to them and some other people that we spoke to on the ground.
सीईसी ने पूरा अधिकार कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष को दे दिया है। उम्मीद है कि आज शाम तक कोई ना कोई घोषणा निकल आएगा। बिल्कुल औपचारिक तौर से नहीं, हम चाहते हैं कि राहुल जी लड़े अमेठी से, हम चाहते हैं कि प्रियंका जी रायबरेली से लड़े, पर यह भी सही है कि दोनों देश भर में प्रचार कर रहे हैं। कांग्रेस संगठन, कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता सभी लोग चाहते हैं कि राहुल जी अमेठी से लड़े और प्रियंका जी रायबरेली से लड़े, बट ये उनका निर्णय है, उनका व्यक्तिगत निर्णय है।
रायबरेली और उसको लेकर देरी क्यों हो रही है? क्या
ये केंद्रीय नेतृत्व का निर्णय है या डिसीजन रहेगा, इसमें मेरा बोलना ठीक नहीं।
क्या राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका गांधी को वहां से कैंडिडेट
जो भी होगा शाम तक, कल तक पता चल जाएगा।
So leader after leader in the Congress party are putting the entire onus on the Kendriya Netritva or the CEC. But the CEC on its part is giving the responsibility to party president Mallikarjun Kharge, and an official announcement is expected by around 4 p.m. and this is what we're hearing because there's going to be a press conference. Now there are multiple people who are talking about Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi and the fact that they should be fighting elections from the seats of Raebareli and Amethi. We've been tracking some more information and we've been getting some more reactions. Let's listen in.
दोनों जगह से नॉमिनेशन को लेकर तैयारियां हैं, दोनों जगह बराबरी तैयारियां हैं। मालूम है तो हम लोग जो भावना आप देख ही रहे हैं यहाँ, आपको ज़्यादा आप लोकल हो, तो जो भावना है मैं इनके अंदर अपने आप को समाहित करता हूँ। तो निर्णय जो होना है हमारी सीईसी करती है, तो जो जैसी निर्णय आ जाएगा तो हमारे लोग उस पर मालूम कर।
पूरी तैयारी है। कल 11 बजे कांग्रेस पार्टी नॉमिनेशन करेगी।
मतलब राहुल या फिर प्रियंका जी आ रहे हैं, ये तय है ना?
देखिए, ये अमेठी के लोगों की भावना है। हमारी भी इच्छा है राहुल जी लड़े या प्रियंका जी लड़े। हम सब चाहते हैं राहुल जी या प्रियंका जी लड़े, और हमें भरोसा है कि हमारी भरोसे पर, अमेठी के लोगों के भरोसे पर आज मुहर लगेगी।